Hi, this is Sarah with PocketWizard, and I'm here to show you how to upgrade your PocketWizard radio after you've purchased your firmware license upgrade. So I'm going to be doing this on a +3. It's the same process for a +4. What you need to be doing it on a computer, either a PC or a Mac. Can't be done on a smartphone or tablet. And you need a USB cable, one that can connect your computer to your radio. So the first thing you need to do is download the utility. If you already have downloaded the utility for a previous update, you need to uninstall that first. So take those few minutes to uninstall it, following your computer instructions. When you're ready, go to our wiki, and the address for the wiki is wiki.pocketwizard.com. wiki.pocketwizard.com. And this is a great source of information. If you've never been to our wiki, you can get most of your questions answered here. The Getting Started link is the first one right here at the top. Underneath it is more information about our e-release, which is another great place. Right here at the top, you can download the utility. I'm using a Windows PC, so that's the one I'm going to download, version 2.0. And once it's downloaded, I'm going to launch it. And pull it over to the right screen. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and select Next. I'm going to agree to the terms of the license, and that's where it's going to install. And here we go. This should just take a few minutes. And I'll say yes to that. That was a warning saying, are you sure you want to update it? So, just select yes, and you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and launch the program. Okay. And this is what it looks like. The first thing I want to do is select, I had to connect my PocketWizard. So good thing there's directions right there. So I just connect it via the USB cable to the bottom. And it is now connected. All right. And it's showing me that it's connected, the model that I have, and the serial number actually is there. It's an FCC unit. As a reminder, this e-release upgrade is only available for FCC units that were sold in the United States and Canada. This has to do with the frequency that's used. So units sold in Europe and other places in the world, we call them CE units, and they use a different frequency. Update your firmware. There are multiple firmwares available, so here gives my choice. The legacy firmware, and then we have the paid upgrade, which is the e-release. So I'm going to go ahead and do the e-release. Now I have to enter my email that I purchased the license from. So use the same email, and I'm just using sort of a fake email that they set up for me. And then I hit Find and Apply License, checks the server, and I get a check mark, License Found and Assigned. Okay. There's new firmware for your radio. Do I want 2.5? And I'm going to say yes. Do not disconnect while it's being updated, and I can watch the progress bars as they go. And it should just take a few minutes. Verifying overall progress, almost done. Okay. And I think it is just restalls to the factory defaults. And now I am good to go. So you'll notice right away that it comes up on channel 1 instead of channel 17, and that 4 zones are available. So now that I've upgraded to the e-release, there are 4 zones available in 32 channels. It used to just be in channels 17 through 32 where there are 4 zones. And then I have 80 long-range channels. So you're going to have a lot more channels to work with. So I just disconnected it. Now let's say I want to revert back to my legacy firmware. I'm just going to reconnect it again. And then I'm going to say update firmware, and I can go back to my legacy firmware at any time. So this might be useful if you have some older model radios like +2s or an older Multimax, and you still want to be able to communicate with those. I can go back and forth. Now that I've upgraded it, it's got the serial number in the database, so I can upgrade again to the e-release. I can downgrade, upgrade as many times as I want, so that you can kind of keep working with all your existing radios. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@pocketwizard.com. Be sure to tag your photos with hashtag PocketWizard. We really want to see how far you can push the range on these units and see how far you can go. So tag us with hashtag PocketWizard, and we can't wait to see what you do with it. Thanks, and we'll be talking with you again soon. Bye.